What's up guys, here we are at a new video. On this video I'm going to tell you what to use your AirTags with. You know the AirTag is out and a lot of you are buying it with the 4-pack or 1-pack and having the accessories with, and it's working so good. I would advise you to go get that AirTag, but before then a lot of people are using it for their backpack, keys and etc. But I would advise you to use it on something special. So you should use it in your car. What I mean by that is like put it somewhere in your car which is hidden or secure place in your car, so that whenever your car is stolen, which some cars doesn't have enough security, which if your car is stolen, you can track it and know where the car is, and that's very interesting to do. And for those putting it in their backpack, I would advise you to put it inside, not outside the backpack, because it can be stolen. And put it on your keys is very important. So the reason I haven't got the AirTag so soon is that it went out of stock even in the Apple store, and that's very so sad. But I will get my hands on it as soon as possible to make a review on it and show you guys how it works. That's all for this video. It's just a short video. I'm advising you guys to use your AirTag with your car. It will be better. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you guys on the next one. Bye.